Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Again I came back with new scenario. Let's see the scenario. Here is the scenario: calculating the person age on the contact object by using their birthday field. I'm in my org. Let's start creating formula. What I have written in the formula, I'm going to explain it. So here this formula calculates the age of a contact in year based on their birthday. So first I have checked if the birthday field is not blank. So I am using not is blank birthday field. So if it is not blank, then subtract the birthday from today function. Today function is used to determine the number of days since the birth date. Then it's divided the value by 65 days is to convert the days into years. And using here I am using the floor function, which is used to round down the here is the contact record. Let's press our page. Yes, age is 87. Here is the birthday and here age is 87.